The Nakshatra Chod is kind of walking on a star and actually practicing your moves. Just like walking on the yin and yang kind of symbol in Chinese Kung Fu, we can practice many different kinds of weapons and also hand to hand combat. It is actually a movement in which you can train your basic techniques, your moves in all different directions, going from left to right and then shifting. It can be like kind of complicated also, but all the weapons you can see here, we are choosing the simple concept of blocking and attacking at the same time. We did earlier with the Indian style lathi, and this is a Kobudo style traditional bow. So it is to train your mind and body so that you can apply your moves in all kinds of direction with left and with right. Here we are using a spear or bhala or a traditional kundam. And of course this can be done with a single stick also, moving, switching stances and perfectly landing in the standing position. Here we are doing it with a nunchuck. Actually the concept is not weapons, it is like if you get the concept right, how to move fast, how to switch stances. It can be done with any weapon or no weapon also. With smaller weapons like knife, you can do yes simple just cut diagonally and normal regular traditional thrust, but the concept is to move in all directions effectively. And here it is practiced with a palachan. Actually this is the traditional weapon, and it is also said that this Nakshatra Chod was made for practicing this kind of weapon. Actually it is something very cool, the Nakshatra Chod. Let us see how it works.
वेलकम बैक. समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल. ये तारे जमीन पर जो आए हैं इसका मतलब क्या? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस स्टार सिंबल, सर?
Yeah, in this Palachan, we
Palachan
said,
video, yes.
Yeah, we said
This one.
This is Palachan,
Yes, yes.
In that movie, we said we are going to show the Nakshatra Chod. Nakshatra Chod means Nakshatra Chod. Okay?
Star, nakshatra, star.
So-
Okay, that is why it is star, sir.
Yeah, we move. This is basically used for the close combat fight.
Okay.
See, here we have shown with the different weapons.
Okay.
We can do it in different kind of mudras.
Okay.
Like mudra prayoga, we use this, and punching system also we use it. Kicking system we use it. Even if you grapple the people, if you knock the people, we can do this.
Okay. Many kinds of techniques. मतलब, so this is mainly a diagram or an exercise
Yeah, it
to
is.
polish your techniques. मतलब आप अपने techniques को अच्छे से
For
practice.
instance, you can see the for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Six.
6 weapon he did continuously.
Okay.
You can see the sweating.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. 6 वेपन, 6 अलग अलग वेपन से आप इसी डायग्राम के ऊपर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. सो एक्चुअली सर, दिस इज अ डायग्राम टू ट्रेन योर माइंड. मतलब एक्चुअली मूवमेंट्स इज सेम
Movement is.
no matter which weapon or bare-handed pike
Yes.
or something like that.
It is basically you should understand which is the left and which is the right.
Okay.
No,
हाँ,
you
इसमें
must-
बहुत सारा confusion होता है. This is very difficult to calculate left and right.
Yeah, it is. You can see the new students. They if you say keep your left hand, they'll go like this.
Okay. It is also a way of improving your reflex action,
Yeah,
and
reflex.
you have to move to left and right. And again, this is very difficult part. यहाँ से change करना होता है.
So the basic pattern is first we step ahead with right, change our direction to the second corner, and again thrust or a punch or anything can be done, change direction again, and to the third side we thrust. And now as you can see, we changed the triangle, and now we will step ahead with left and again changing direction and again stepping ahead with left. This can be seen as a grappling technique or just simply a stepping punch, or you can step forward and hit somebody. So actually moving in all directions, and from here just step back from where you started.
So as I understand, मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे different techniques के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हो. It is an exercise to train your mind for the left, going the same. For example, it is a punch. How to move right side and left side, footwork. Okay. हमारा left में भी है, right में भी है, right?
See, this is you have done only with right say 3 movements,
And
left
left 3 movements, yes.
That comes 6 movements.
Okay, 6
Right?
movements. 3 plus 3, 6.
And we have in this 12 moments and 24 moments also.
Okay.
It is not only with the weapon. It is called Palachan. It is specially made for this weapon.
Okay.
But there are kind of things. Suppose say my opponent is here.
Okay.
So hitting on the target, I am right. On hit comes like this. Hit,
Okay. For example.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
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 Like that.
Like the special forces kind of thing. They will go like this and lock the person out.
It is not possible. I bet it is not possible. You need a lot of practice to
Almost
handle
impossible
a
to
knife.
Almost impossible to dodge a knife. Okay.
If I am with a knife and attacking you, you cannot move. The thing is, like my opponent is here, hitting here. So one movement is like this and going. All right. Other moment I have to go the straight also. You can go.
Yes.
Right. Bam.
Okay. Through inside
So
the triangle.
there is an imaginary line here. There is an imaginary line here. There is an imaginary line like this. So those line you can move even,
Okay.
right?
So the basic step is to move on the boundaries.
Boundaries.
But there are many techniques in which you can move through the triangle also.
Yeah.
So,
It is according to the situation you can feel.
okay. So if I have to block and punch a person, like if I have to block and throw something like a knife and strike on the neck, if I have to do something like that, it does not mean you have to make circles with the opponent. It means that you're training it in this direction, and the next time now you're training it for the other direction, and you're training it with left leg and right leg. So training your mind.
So it is not only you are doing what you are going to see the weapon, this thing. Not only weapon, you can do
Empty
parent, the
Empty
mudra
hand,
prayogam.
yes, mudra prayogam
Mudra prayogam you can use it. You can do ashyamoga prayogam.
Okay.
You can do even the hits and all with this same thing. Okay.
So it is a exercise
It
to
is an
train your
exercise.
mind. मतलब इसमें आप अपनी टेक्निक लाओ और उसको प्रैक्टिस करो.
Yeah, but there is a certain specified techniques built in Nacheta Chota.
Okay.
Okay, but you can improvise it.
Okay.
So, if you want to know more
Balachan,
about this, Balachan, if you want to know more about this weapon, you just I will give the
Link is in description. We have made a detailed video about this. This was used by farmers, and they have slippery hands and many things are like that. So it is always there with the native people. Okay.
yeah, native place. Okay, so this is the
Can be
application.
used as self-defense also.
Now he did a kind of this.
Yes.
Right, kind of thing like this. What is happening?
basically, yes.
That is what is happening.
Like
Pop.
and
What I'm doing is I'm hitting here, tap. Then yeah. pop. Okay.
because most of the time these people are having it in their somewhere in the pocket or somewhere back. They always have things like that, so they can use it as self-defense. And cool.
This is cool.
So as Karate TV online classes are already started, link is in description. You can fill the form and register for a Karate TV online class. The same way we have started Karate TV club also, right?
Club also. Club.
It is
You can
actually-
become a club member also.
Okay, like it is a close community kind of thing. We'll
Yeah.
have WhatsApp groups and Facebook also. Yes.
Facebook also we have having one.
It is
But
like-
it is not some people have registered that. It is we'll do it at the end of this month.
Okay. So it is like a close community. If you want to stay in touch with Karate TV and the team, what the team is doing, and actually we have connection with an organization also. Many things are happening. Self-defense classes, like things
Yeah,
are there, right?
many classes coming up.
Social kind of things. like
Social
that.
committed
If you-
one.
Yes, if you want to be a part of that and if you want to stay in more touch with us, you can join. There is a link given for that. Karate TV Club is for joining and being a member of Karate TV Club. And Karate TV online class is for joining the online class to learn karate. Okay.
Thank you.
Like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. With the nakshatra, नहीं हो सकता.
With this